Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So this reading will be end of 2020. What you can expect in end of 2020. That means this December month what will happen. Okay, we will see. And what memories will you take forward in 2021. Okay, this month will be um, very crucial for many of us because this COVID is there. Then this whole year was not as expected. So we will see what will this end of the year will give us. Any good news will be there, any good things will happen, so that we can carry the positivity into 2021. So let's see. So I will show you the piles. So we have three piles here to choose. First one, gratitude rock. Second one, clear quartz. Then third one, lapis lazuli. Okay, so whichever you are intuitively connected with, you can choose. And if you need more time, you can meditate on the pile and you can select the pile accordingly. While I'm shuffling the cards, you can meditate on the pile and you can definitely think about the future. Okay, so what will happen, whatever your wishes, whatever you are planning for the year 2021, so you can think in your mind and you can meditate definitely. Okay, so let's start the reading with pile 1. So pile 1, this gratitude rock. Whoever chose this gratitude rock, this reading is for you. So let's see what will happen end of 2020. What will happen now in this month, the end of 2020. So let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. The Tower. The Completed World. The Hierophant. Justice. Ten of Swords. Ten of Stars actually. So Nine of Moons. Okay, these are the cards that we got here. And at the bottom of the deck it is Two of Spears. Okay, Two of Spears. So let's see, let's start your reading. So whoever chose this gratitude rock, for them, what will happen now in the month of December, end of 2020, let's see. So we can see here Two of Spears. Please excuse me friends, my cat is scratching something. You can hear some background noise. So please ignore. Okay, so Two of Spears means you have two options that you are juggling with. That might be your career, or it can be anything related to your money, finance, job. Okay, so you have two options here in the month of December. Whole 2020 also you had this, even in the month of December also you'll be in the same situation. You'll be having this Two of Spears, so you will be juggling. So you don't know which one to choose, what to do. Then the universe will take control and the Tower moment will happen. Okay, in this December, while you are entering 2021, so the Tower moment will happen. Something will collapse suddenly because you have the two options and you don't know what to choose. So one option will be automatically, it will be done or gone. Something very drastically happens and the Tower moment, so something will new ideas will come up, because everything or whatever old ideas you are having, whatever you are holding on to the old things, or old people, or old connections, so something will happen, the Tower moment will happen in your life. So you will complete this. Okay, the World card means sometimes it says that you will travel, but sometimes it says that it will be like you will be completing one cycle and entering into the new cycle. Okay, so maybe you are dealing with a long distance person, and that person might come towards you by traveling. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you the signs I can see here. If at all you are thinking about any person or a relationship, I can see here Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Almost all signs are here. There is no particular sign, but Taurus is very prominent. Then Libra is very prominent here. Taurus and Libra are very prominent, and I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also. Aries especially. Okay. So other apart from that, rest all are all the signs are there. Then fixed signs are there like Taurus, Aquarius, then Leo and Scorpio. I can see the fixed signs also. So let's continue. The Hierophant. Hierophant is someone that you are thinking about. That person will come to you and offer you commitment, and this commitment might be love related or job related. Okay, some solid commitment will come, solid project will come, something it is the starting of the new beginning. Okay, so it will be the starting. Okay, whatever you are dealing with, it can be relationship also, it can be job also, whatever it is, it can be travel or abroad chances. So the Hierophant is a very intellectual person and very like a military person, or very higher authority like a police or then manager or chairman, director, the person who is in a very highly reputed or highly regarded in the society. That kind of a person will come towards you. So as I told you already, it can be love relation also, or it can be in any area of your life. Okay, this person will be entering into your life. Okay, the Taurus person, this person will be entering into your life, and this person might come from far away. Okay, the World card means this person is long distance to you, and this person might travel and come towards you. Okay, something will happen drastically. Okay, the Tower moment will happen drastically. So because of that, this person, all these months or years, this person was not able to move towards you, or not able to contact you, or maybe ghosted you, ignored you, or rejected you, insulted you. I don't know what happened, but this person will come towards you. Okay, and then the Justice, this person will be giving you a justice and Hierophant, they both are kind of marriage cards. Okay, and Justice, sometimes it says that divorce also. So as I told you already, you have two options here, so you have to choose one. So definitely some people will be taking a decision of divorce. Okay, if you are not happy in this relationship, then you will choose the other person, and you want to divorce your partner, because this is a long term, like from so many months you are thinking that you are not happy in this connection, you want to get divorced, and but you were in dilemma, because you have two options here. One is your spouse, and other one is your love or crush or whatever it may be. So now finally you will make a decision, you will take a decision that you will be deciding to divorce, or it can be vice versa. Whomever you are thinking about, maybe that person might divorce, because it is coming in below the Tower card. That means this person might have some Tower moment in that person's life, and they might give divorce to the partner, and they will come towards you. And so 10 of stars. 10 of stars meaning you or this person will be into very deep pain. Okay, separating from somebody, or some kind of backstabbing, or because you are coming out of a relationship, I can see here. So you both will be in a deep pain. Okay, it can be applicable for you or your person also. So this is kind of a pain that 10 swords are stabbed at your back, so that much it will be very very painful, but you will try to heal yourself. You want to come out of this pain. Okay, maybe by end of this 2020, like this in this month of December, you want to let go of all your pain, all your sufferings, all your whatever old memories, past memories. You want to be healed, you want healing, and you want to start something new. Okay, new beginning you want to start. Okay, but in the month of December, you want to let go of everything, even though it is painful, even though it is causing you a lot of pain and a lot of regrets, or a lot of sleepless nights, but you want to get rid of it, because you are dealing with this energy for quite some time. It is not like recently it had happened, but this energy is for quite some time, you maybe months, or for some people it is years. So you want to get rid of this connection, and it will be clearly showing the completed world and 10 of stars both together, one after the other it came. That means something prominently you will be ending in this month. Okay, so that can be marriage or any kind of a long term relationship, something you will be ending. Okay, then this Hierophant and the Nine of Moons are together. That means you are independent, you are free, you are free from mind, and you are free from physically also, you will be free from this burden. Okay, whatever the relationship, or whatever some, if it is a job, then something is burdened. Okay, for so many years you are carrying this burden, you will be free, you will be concentrating on yourself, very happy outcome actually. Okay, the Hierophant and the Nine of Moons means you will definitely take a decision. So in the starting of the reading I said you got Two of Spears. So now you will be coming out of that confusing energy, and you will be starting to concentrate on yourself. Okay, so one card for the summation of this December month, one card of summation of this month, one card of summation. What will happen in this end of 2020 or in the month of December? One card of summation. What energy that we will carry, or this gratitude rock, whoever chose, what energy they will carry into 2021. Okay, the Empress. Definitely I can see that some people are will be getting married, not marrying in the month of December, but that energy, the starting step. Okay, Hierophant is there, Justice is there, the Empress is there. I can definitely, you will be growing in this area of your life. Okay, you will be starting a new connection, or the old person will be coming towards you who rejected you already. So that person will be coming towards you, and you will definitely marry this person, and there are high chances that in the next year 2021 you will be pregnant. I can see clearly the Empress is there, the universe has given this card, and the spirit guides are guiding towards this. So in the definitely in 2021 you will be marrying your person, and you will conceive, you will be pregnant. Okay, very very positive reading for pile 1, whoever chose this gratitude rock. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. And if you need any support, you can contact me. My details are given below for personal reading. If you want any personal reading, you can contact me. That's all I have for you. Then you don't forget to press the notification symbol or bell symbol, so that you can get the notifications from my videos. Okay, that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye. So whoever chose this clear quartz, this reading is for you. Let's see what will you get in 2020 or ending of this 2020, what energies you will get it, and which one you will follow, what energies you will take through 2021. Okay, so what majorly will happen in the month of December 2020. So what energies you will be taking to next year. So let's see. Okay, how many cards we got? Let's see. So 5 of stars. Is it one card? Okay, these are 2 cards. Let me take out the cards first. 5 of Suns, the Emperor, then 4 of Moons, the Papist, then 6 of Moons. One more card, Spirit. One more card, Spirit. 5 of Stars. Bottom of the deck we have the Tower. Okay, so basically in the month of December you will taking a decision, something related to your I think money, career, finance. It can be in any area of your life, but Tower moment will definitely come into your life in this month. Okay, so you will take a decision and you will start something new. Okay, you will let go of the past, even though it is painful, even though it is sudden, unexpected, but still you have to take a decision, and you will be taking a decision in this month, because that will be good for you. That is what you feel. okay, that will be good for you to carry in the year 2021. That's what you feel. And they, because of this tower moment, because you are not able to take any decision, universe is interfering in this matter, and the sudden collapsing of something unexpected will happen. Okay, tower means something is falling down, but rebuilding from the ashes. You will start something from scratch. Whatever the old beliefs, you will let go of. Whatever something is bothering you, you will leave it. Okay, then you will go into 2021 in a with a positive and new energy. You will be moving on. Okay, then five of suns. Five of suns means you will be fighting with even we have here five of suns, also five of stars also. That means you have lot of fightings, conflicts with everybody. Okay, maybe they may be your work colleagues or family members or friends. You have lot of disagreements with people around you. Okay, you will sometimes you feel that you are alone, you are fighting a battle. Okay, it's very very like what do you say, tiring energy. Okay, you are tired of this fighting, you are alone, standing alone, nobody is there to support you. Okay, you are alone actually. Sometimes you will be a little bit uh, let go of things, like you to get this victory, you feel that okay, let it go, like let them leave me, or I don't care, kind of a very daring, dashing, bold energy I can see in the month of December. Okay, so you will cut off whoever is not required in your life. You will cut them off clearly, bluntly. You will cut them off, and you will move to the 2021 with fresh energy. And you will go, you want to go with a positive energy. The Emperor, you might be dealing with Aries, especially because the Emperor card is there. And then the papers also, the papers means it is kind of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is strong here. And also I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces strong. Very few of you might have this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, but apart from that, other signs are there. But there is no earth signs here. All are very like a fiery energy, fiery fighting energy. Okay, so in the month of December you will be very very busy. You'll be dealing with all these negativity or conflicts. You'll be fighting. Emperor means that when you are little bit narcissist, you are little bit controlling. Okay, or you might be dealing with your soulmate also in this month. Okay, so these conflicts and all this will be apart. This is not clear that you are dealing with your love life only, but you will be dealing with your soulmate, because the Emperor means it can be your twin flame or soulmate. So you will be dealing with this person. So maybe because of this tower moment, you will be either leaving this person, or you will be leaving somebody else for this soulmate or twin flame. Okay, then this person will be from your past, because six of moons is there. So this person is from your past. You know this person, you, this might be your friend, colleague, or childhood friend, classmate, college mate. Okay, so you both know each other, you are soulmates, and in the past life lovers or partners. Okay, so in this month you will be meeting your person. Okay, then four of moons, because you are dealing with many other things, you are not able to um, acknowledge this person coming into your life, because you are busy with other things to deal in your life. Because I, as I already told you, five of suns is there, five of stars is there. So you are busy dealing with this conflicts, fights, disagreements, everything. But in between, this person will enter into your life. Okay, so the papers means you are very like genuinely you are praying God, and you will become little spiritual also. Okay, in this month you will be little spiritual. The papers means you will be very honest, trustworthy. So whatever you are saying, it will be very very honest. Okay, so you will be doing the right thing, that you have to, whatever you want to do, you will be doing. So you will be very busy with other things when your soulmate enters in your life. You will be taking a right decision. Okay, whatever is good for you, you will be taking the decision, and you will tell the truth. You will support the truth actually. Okay, so you will be busy with many other things, like you are dealing with people, and you feel like you are standing alone. That's what I can feel, that I can see that this month will be very very busy month for you. But the good thing is you will be meeting your soulmate. Okay, So let's pull one card of summation. So what can my pile 2 people expect in this month? Please give one card of summation. Please give one card of summation. Okay, we got two cards here. The Emperor again. Friends, definitely you will be meeting your soulmate and your love life will be moving into right direction, because the Chariot means fastest moving card in the deck. So you will be meeting your soulmate or twin flame, and till now your love life must be stuck or in the hanged position, but now from this month onwards it will be moving forward, and you will be like moving into a positive direction. Positive changes will be coming into your life, and whatever old beliefs that you have, you will be letting go of that. In the month of December you will leave them and you will enter fresh in 2021. Okay, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then please press the bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my new videos. That's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this lapis lazuli, this reading is for you. This is pile number 3. Whoever chose this lapis lazuli gemstone, then this reading is for you. Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What will happen in the month of December for my pile 3, and what they will take into the year 2021. We got one card here. Sorry. Okay, One of Stars. What will they take to 2021? What will happen in the month of December and what they will take to 2021? What will happen in the month of December and what will they take to 2021? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Okay. We have the completed world. And we have here Two of Spears. Let's see these cards also. And the bottom of the deck, it is Eight of Moons. Okay, so let's see the other cards. This is the Chariot. This is the Sun. Wow, very nice card. Then Eight of Stars. Okay, very nice combination of cards and very interesting reading for whoever chose this lapis lazuli. So 8 is very, very prominent in your life, and you will be even 7. I can see the synchronicity 1, 2, then 7 and 8. Okay, these numbers might be prominent, or 21 number is prominent, or I can see here 19 also. 19 also is prominent. Then let's continue the reading. So I can clearly see the overall month energy is that you will be walking away from someone or something. Okay, Eight of Moons means you are walking away from this connection. Whatever connection you are having, you are leaving it behind and walking away and moving on, and you are not turning back to this person, even though this person might be offering you the love and all, cup of love, but you are no more, you are interested into that person, past person. Okay, you are walking away from one connection and you will be starting something new with the One of Stars. So you will be starting something very like with boldly, with what do you say, fierily you will be starting. Okay, you will cut off all the BS and you will be starting from scratch. You will be starting something new. Even all the cards are saying the same thing. You will be ending something in this month of December. Even the completed world, that means you will be completing one cycle with one person and you will be moving on. Okay, so you will be moving on from this person. You will be ending a relationship. Even the Chariot also is the movement, and even One of Stars means you will be cutting off all the BS and you will be starting new, something new. Okay, new journey you are starting. You are completely leaving one person or one relation or one connection behind, and you are moving with a positivity and with boldness, with the fiery nature. You are moving ahead. The Chariot also says the same thing. You are moving on. You are moving into a, you are not stuck anymore. Maybe till now you were stuck, you were waiting for the person. This is completely love reading, I feel. Whoever is seeing this lapis lazuli pile, I feel that you are asking about a love relationship or a connection. There is no other cards I can see. I can see only these love related cards only. I can see here the signs are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very few of you might be having the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Other apart from that, the Sun card means Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, I can see almost all the signs, but Earth signs are very less. Even the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces are very less. But Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius are more. Okay. So the completed world, as I told you already, you will be completing a cycle with one person, or you will be traveling abroad also. Okay. So you might get a chance to travel abroad. Maybe because of that you are leaving this person behind and you are walking away from this connection, and you want to move on. You want to prosper in your life. You want progress in your life. You don't want this connection to hold you back. You don't want this to happen in your life. You want to move ahead. You want to prosper. You want to earn more money. You want to get a good job, or you want to explore. Actually, you want to try something new. You don't want to be stuck in this situation. Maybe 2020 you were stuck, you were hanged. You had no other choice or anything else you could do in the year 2020. So now 2021 you want to go with a positivity and you want to explore new things. The Sun card, only happiness will be there for you, because after taking this decision, trust me, you will feel burdenless. Okay, so you will feel like burden free. You are relieving all your burdens, and you are by removing this person from your life, you are feeling so freedom. Okay, the Sun card, always you will be having happiness only. Okay, so you are very much like free from this what do you say, blindfoldedness. Okay, 8 of stars, that means you are you were earlier blindfolded. You were not able to take any decision. Okay, so but the Sun card is there. That card always dominates everything else. Even earlier you had 2 of spheres, that means you had a choice. Okay, 2 options were there, you were not able to choose somebody. And you also had your blindfolded, then you don't know what to do with this person, or you blocked them or they blocked you. Okay, so somebody is spying here, stalking each other. So you were wasting your time actually. So you don't know what to do. This confusion, this dilemma, this blocking, ghosting, or so blocking in social media, I can see all these things. But you were one of you were stalking each other. Okay, so all this BS, you will keep it behind, and you will be walking towards the something new. Sun, the Sun card means you are in search of the sunshine, brightness in your life. Okay, so whole this December month you will be in this condition of dilemma, then what to do, what not to do, then this person whether to leave or not. But finally you will leave this connection behind. You will complete this cycle, and you will go to start something new. That 1 of stars, you will start some new thing in your life. Okay, so the Sun card, Chariot card, all are very positive cards. I can see Scorpio here, then I can see the fixed signs Aquarius, Taurus, then Leo and Scorpio. Okay friends, then let's pull one summation card. One card of summation spirits, one card of summation. What will happen in the month of December, and what my pile 3 will take to the new year 2021? What my people will take into the new year? What new thing they will get in the month of December, and they will move to the 2021? Please give one card. Wow friends, very nice, very positive. The Sun card is twice, that means double confirmation that you will be happy. Whatever decision you are taking, you will be happy, you will be burden free. Okay, the Sun card came twice friends. You can see both Sun cards. So you will be very happy. Ultimately you will be happily moving out of this 2020, this burdensome 2020, and you will be going towards 2021 with a positivity, with a lot of hope. Something new you will be starting, new life you will be starting. Actually, you might be traveling, as I told you already. You might be traveling abroad or going relocating. Okay, wherever you are sitting, wherever you are located right now, you will be relocating from that. You want to cut off all BS and start something new, fresh. Okay, very happy for you, pile 3. Very positive reading. Twice a sun card means that you are very lucky. Okay, so that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends, and press the bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my new videos. And that's all I have for you. Until the next video, bye.